Let's break down this viral math problem step by step. Many people quickly think that 4 divided by 4 gives 1, and since the same division appears again, they assume 1 divided by 1 is still 1. However, that answer is incorrect because we must follow the proper order of operations. When an expression has multiple divisions, we always solve from left to right. So first, we divide 4 by 4 to get 1, then continue with 1 divided by 4, and finally divide that result by 4 again. This gives us 1 over 4, and dividing by 4 can be rewritten using the keep change flip rule, where we keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second number. So 1 over 4 becomes multiplied by 1 over 4, which equals 1 over 16. That means the correct final answer is 1 over 16. If you got it right, well done. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and challenging math problems like this.